Welcome back to Half Feral. I'm Eli, and this is the first episode of the hot tub build. In this video, we'll be drilling a portion of the rebar for the cinder block wall. Let's go build some stuff. Right now, we're just unloading the stuff that we got, and we're gonna maybe see how it looks, and then we're gonna mark everything out and lay some rebar, hopefully. So we just finished unloading, and we got all the cinder blocks and everything out. So now we're gonna start measuring and prepping it to start, and let's go do it. You're right there. We have a 5/8 drill bit on it, and we're going to use this to drill into the rock, and we'll see how it does. Hopefully it works, and let's do it. Well, that didn't work. The hammer drill does not have enough to hammer through that rock, but yeah, we're gonna go up and research and see if we can find anything to do. So let's have some fun researching about drilling into the rock. Yay. Right, since the last one didn't work very well, it was a pretty slow process of drilling into the rock. Couldn't get very far. We decided to just go ahead and get another one and another drill bit just to make sure. And hopefully these work out great. This one looks better and more strong, so let's try these out. Got a briefcase, boy. Wrong way. Dang! Ew, that is slimy. Let's see if this drill works better than the other one. Let's go. I think it drills pretty good through it, so now it's just out on the real rock. So it is really warming up now, so we're going to start working on the sliding rock a lot more. Of course, as you know, we're going to be drilling into solid rock. So we're going to take the hammer drill, we're going to drill into some rock, make sure it's all sturdy, anchor it down, and do that a couple times. And hopefully it's strong enough that my grandkids will be seeing it, and they'll be swimming in it, and their grandkids will be seeing it, and they'll be swimming in it, until it's just like, it's like an antique, and, you know, yeah. We're going to have this drain, and it's going to be snug to the wall in the cinder blocks at the bottom, and then it'll come out on the other side of this valve that we can open and close, so it's not always leaking out. And this is just for to empty all the water out, and we'll have a little spillover spot so it doesn't overflow and everything. Down with the sliding rock again today. Hopefully we won't get rained out like we did yesterday, and we're gonna finish drilling this rebar, so let's go do that. going to cut the rebar, and then we're going to use some drill adhesive to anchor the rebar into the rock. Let's go do that, and yeah, it's going to be fun. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep.
Let's see how that goes.
Alright, I'll get that one.
Let's do it in and out. Alright. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is about perfect. Alright. Alright. Nice and slow.
Alright, so the drill adhesive that we are using is super hard to get out of the caulk gun. I could barely even muster it out of the caulk gun myself. So we just finished that. Thank you so much for watching me build that hot tub down there. Make sure to tune in for the next episode, and I'll see you in the next one.